This video we looked at how to make or create dictionaries in Python, and I promised to show you some of the cool features of dictionary. As we said, dictionary is very fundamental to the way we work with unstructured data. In fact, most databases that use unstructured data like MongoDB would always store their data in dictionary format. And there's a cool feature in that you can make a dictionary of dictionaries in Python, and this allows you to store any kind of data, whether it's of different types. And in fact, most of files such as JSON, or for those who are dealing with geospatial data like GeoJSON, they are normally stored in this format. So how do you make a dictionary of dictionary? So it's very quite the same. So I'm gonna make a dictionary of dictionary containing 2 countries. And first of all, you just create the normal dictionary with curly brackets. And then now it's made up of items instead of what we call keys. So we have got items, and each of the items have got keys, and each keys have got corresponding values. So the first key here, I'm going to use the country ISO names. So for Kenya, the standard ISO is KEN, and then this is going to store the individual values for Kenya, which I'll just contain or copy this. Yes, and once I do that, this should be, I should have a closing dictionary. So we have got closing curly bracket, opening curly bracket. This is the first key, second key, third key, fourth key. Of course, the others are corresponding values. And then the next one after this, I'm gonna have Great Britain, which is basically UK, GBR. And then to save on time, I'll just copy this and then edit them. So in this case, it's gonna be Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Hope I get the name right, otherwise the Brits will be on me. Of course, they have a monarchy. And here we talk about the year of union, which I think is 1800. And then languages, they're gonna have Scottish, English, Welsh, don't know if there's a language like that, then Irish. So this now completes our dictionary. So we have got a dictionary of dictionary called countries, and it's made up of 2 dictionaries. The first dictionary is Kenya, and the second one is GBR, and each of these dictionaries have got corresponding keys and values. So if I run this and I type countries, I have my dictionary. To access all the elements of this dictionary, I just do countries dot items, and this will print every element inside that dictionary. If I want specific elements for Kenya or GBR, I specify the dictionary name using the ISO code, which is the dictionary name KE, and then I just do dot items, and this only return elements for Kenya only. So it should give me Kenya dot item. Oh, okay, it should be countries instead of countries. So this should only return elements for Kenya only. If I want for Great Britain, just change this to GBR This feature will be very, very important when you start getting into unstructured data in the analytics section of these tutorials. So that is how we work with dictionary of dictionaries. Feel free to give the video a thumbs up, like, and if you have questions, leave it on the comment box.